In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in TickTick. If you've ever felt like you're clicking around more than you'd like when managing tasks, shortcuts will change the way you work. We'll start by getting into TickTick, open the shortcut settings, and walk through each category so you can tailor everything to your workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each section controls, and how to fine-tune it without any guesswork. Open your browser and search for TickTick. From the results, head to the official site and select Sign In. Use your usual login method to get into the web app. Once you're in, look toward the top corner for your profile menu. Click that, then choose Settings. This is the control center where TickTick hides a lot of powerful customization options you might not have explored yet. Inside Settings, find the Shortcuts section. This panel lists the available key combinations and in most cases lets you change them. It's organized into tabs so you can focus on one area at a time without getting overwhelmed. If you're new to this, consider keeping this pane open in a separate window while you practice so you can reference it quickly. Start with the General tab. General shortcuts cover broad actions like creating a new task, opening search, or showing the quick add box. You'll see the current key combos on the right. If something conflicts with a shortcut you already use in your browser or operating system, click the shortcut to edit it and assign a combination that feels natural. A helpful approach is to group similar actions with a consistent modifier. For example, keep global or always available actions tied to one modifier so they're easier to memorize. Also, avoid combinations commonly used by the browser, like closing tabs, to prevent accidental triggers. Next, move to the Tasks section. These shortcuts apply when you're working directly with tasks, such as marking a task complete, setting a priority, or moving it to a list. These only take effect when a task is selected in the list. If a shortcut isn't responding, click once on the task so it's highlighted, then try again. That 1 second habit saves a lot of confusion and ensures the command hits the right target. Now open Quick Add. Quick Add lets you type details directly into the task name field as you create it. You can include a date or time, add a tag, or send the task to a specific list in a single line. As you type, TickTick parses those details and fills in the appropriate fields automatically. Try a few sample entries to get comfortable, like adding a due time, a tag, and a destination list all at once. Once it clicks, you'll create fully detailed tasks in seconds without touching the mouse. Head to Edit Tasks to see shortcuts that work while you're in a task's detail view. These are perfect for grooming tasks quickly, moving between fields, toggling reminders, adding a checklist, or archiving when finished. Keep in mind, these only work when your cursor is inside the task details, so click into the description or a field first. Next is Navigation. These shortcuts help you jump around the app, Inbox, Today, Next 7 days, Specific lists, and the Settings panel itself. If you navigate frequently, pick 2 or 3 that you'll use constantly and commit them to memory. Keep them consistent with what you chose in general, so your fingers don't need to learn different patterns for similar moves. If you rely on the Calendar view, open the Calendar tab. Here you can tune the shortcuts for switching views, moving between days or weeks, and creating events quickly. These make planning sessions much smoother, especially if you like dragging tasks across the timeline. If you experiment and don't love your setup, use Reset Default to roll everything back. It's a safe way to try new combinations without worrying about getting stuck. Remember to keep combinations simple, avoid system reserved keys, and consider making a small cheat sheet for the first few days while your muscle memory builds. That's the process. Search for TickTick, sign in, open your profile, go to Settings, then Shortcuts, and customize General, Task, Quick Add, Edit Tasks, Navigation, and Calendar. Tweak a few, practice for a week, and you'll feel a real boost in speed and focus. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster TickTick.